Have you ever noticed ants suddenly appearing in your home and wondered why? In Islam, nothing happens without purpose. Even the tiniest creature can carry a divine message. According to Mufti Menk, Allah often communicates through signs in nature. These ants might not just be insects. They could be silent messengers, carrying spiritual reminders. Let's uncover the 5 powerful warnings Allah may be sending when ants enter your home. 1. Ants as a symbol of Barakah. In Islam, ants are seen as hard-working and disciplined creatures that never give up. Their sudden appearance in your home may symbolize an increase in barakah, blessings, and risk provision. Allah could be reminding you that just as ants gather consistently and patiently, you too should remain steadfast in your efforts. Their arrival might also signal that prosperity is near, but only for those who show gratitude and continue striving with sincerity and faith. 2. Reminder to maintain cleanliness. When ants enter your home, it may be a gentle reminder from Allah to recheck the cleanliness of your surroundings. In Islam, tahara, purity, is half of faith, and maintaining a clean home invites angels while driving away negativity. The presence of ants could mean there are overlooked areas that need attention. Spiritually, it also calls you to cleanse your heart from sins, pride, or laziness, renewing your connection with Allah through purity inside and out. 3rd test of patience and kindness. Ants may appear as a small yet powerful test from Allah to measure your patience and compassion. Instead of reacting with anger or harm, Islam encourages mercy toward all living beings, no matter how small. Showing restraint reflects inner strength and humility. When faced with such situations, respond gently and remember that Allah loves those who remain calm in every trial. These tiny creatures remind believers that true faith shines through patience and kindness in action. 4. Warning of neglect or carelessness. When ants start appearing frequently, it may indicate a form of neglect in your home or spiritual life. Perhaps an area has been ignored, whether it's cleanliness, prayer, or family responsibilities. Allah might be drawing your attention to something you've overlooked. These small disturbances serve as wake-up calls, urging you to reassess your priorities. By correcting your habits and fulfilling your duties, you can restore balance, peace, and divine satisfaction within your surroundings. 5th lesson of unity and cooperation. Ants live in perfect harmony, supporting one another with discipline and teamwork. Their visit may remind you of the importance of unity within your family and community. Allah teaches believers to stand together, help one another, and avoid division. Just as ants achieve great things through cooperation, humans too find strength in togetherness. This sign encourages you to rebuild relationships, promote understanding, and strengthen the bonds that lead to collective peace and spiritual growth. Every sign from Allah carries wisdom, even through the smallest of His creations. Reflect on these lessons, purify your heart, and stay connected to faith. If you found this message meaningful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.